Hello friends, today we will discuss about an important case that is diabetic ketoacidosis. This is frequently asked clinical case in university examination. So what are the key points in the diagnosis of diabetic ketoacidosis? That mainly includes patient around 30 or less than 30 years of the age, because it is a main complication of type 1 diabetes mellitus, that is insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. Then patient will brought to the hospital in semi conscious or unconscious state or in comatose condition. Okay, so why there is unconscious or comatose condition? Because of dehydration and acidosis. So it is because of dehydration and acidosis. Okay, then the breathing will be deep and rapid, which is a compensatory mechanism to overcome the metabolic acidosis. So deep and rapid breathing will be there, and the breath, the smell of breath or odor of the breath is fruity. It is because of uh, acetone. It is because of acetone. Acetone is a ketone body. So these are the key points in the diagnosis. In the laboratory investigation, the plasma glucose will be at higher side, 4 to 5 times of the normal, near around 400, 500, 600, 700, like that. So plasma glucose will be at the higher level, and there is positive Benedict test and Rothras test. So Benedict test is, it is a test for reducing sugar. So glucose is a reducing sugar, so it will give the Benedict test positive, and there is positive Rothras test which is given by the ketone bodies. Mainly acetone and acetoacetate will give the Rothras test positive. The predominant ketone body here is the beta hydroxybutyrate. It is a false ketone body, as during conversion of acetoacetate to beta hydroxybutyrate, it is converted into, the keto group is converted into hydroxy group. So beta hydroxybutyrate, it is a predominant ketone body, constitute about 80% of the total ketone body's production. But it is the Rothras test, it is not given by the beta hydroxybutyrate. So for beta hydroxybutyrate, there is modified Rothras test, in which first this beta hydroxybutyrate is converted into acetoacetate, and then it is detected by the routine Rothras test. So deep purple ring will be there in the Rothras test. So brick red color in the Benedict test and deep purple ring in the Rothras test indicates this test as a positive test. There is change of color in the Benedict test from green, yellow, orange to red and brick red, and depending upon the color form, so it will give approximate idea about the concentration of sugar present in a urine sample in gram percent. Okay, green, yellow, orange, red and brick red, 0.5 gram percent, 1 gram percent, 1.5 gram percent, 2 gram percent, more than 2 gram percent. So this is also known as semi-quantitative test. Okay, so these are the key points in the diagnosis. Age around 30 or less than 30 years. Patient will brought to the hospital in semi-conscious or comatose condition. Deep and rapid breathing, which is known as Kussmaul respiration. Fruity odor of the breath because of the acetone, and plasma glucose at the higher side, and positive Benedict and Rothras test. Now, which type of acidosis is there in the diabetic ketoacidosis? It is mainly the metabolic acidosis. Why metabolic acidosis? Because there is production of ketone bodies. These three ketone bodies, mainly the acetoacetate and beta hydroxybutyrate, these two, these are acidic in nature. Okay, that's why there is acidosis, and to neutralize these acids, the bicarbonate is utilized. So bicarbonate level will drop down. So this is normal bicarbonate level. So bicarbonate level will drop down to neutralize or buffering these acids. That's why metabolic acidosis is there. Now, why Kussmaul respiration or deep and rapid breathing is there? It is a compensatory mechanism to overcome metabolic acidosis. So hyperventilation will blow out the CO2. You know that there is equation in which the bicarbonate and carbonic acid is there. Okay, so bicarbonate and carbonic acid equation, the ratio should maintain as 20:1. So to maintain this ratio, when the bicarbonate level drop down, the carbonic acid level also drop down to maintain this ratio in terms of hyperventilation by the mechanism by the lung. Got it? So to maintain the ratio, carbonic acid is also reduced, and that's why this is a compensatory mechanism to blow out the CO2. Hyperventilation will be there. Okay, so these are the normal parameter. In metabolic acidosis, pH will drop down, bicarbonate will drop down. This is the principal defect in metabolic acidosis, reduction in the bicarbonate level. And PCO2, this is the normal range. So PCO2, it is decreased in the PCO2 because washout of the CO2 occurs as a compensatory mechanism, but it is a compensatory mechanism. It is not a primary defect. So it can be a normal, and in compensated cases it can be decreased level. Got it? So plasma glucose level, these are the normal ranges: fasting, post meal, and random plasma glucose level. Okay. Now in the treatment, insulin is given with strict potassium monitoring. Why potassium monitoring is required? As there is metabolic acidosis, means there is increase in the hydrogen ion concentration in the extracellular fluid. Okay, hydrogen ion concentration will be the more. Now to reduce the acidity, these hydrogen ions will move inside the cell. This hydrogen will move inside the cell in exchange of the potassium, and potassium will move out of the cell into a extracellular fluid. So potassium movement from intracellular compartment to the extracellular compartment causes the hyperkalemia, increase in the potassium level. There is increase in the potassium level in diabetic ketoacidosis. Okay, as there is increase in the potassium level, but when we give the insulin, it causes rapid opening of the potassium channels that causes the entry of potassium inside the cell. So when we give insulin, the potassium moves inside the cell and hypokalemia will be there, and that causes cardiac manifestations. So to avoid that cardiac manifestations, potassium monitoring is required. Got it? So these are the key points in the diabetic ketoacidosis: semi-conscious, unconscious state, deep and rapid breathing, fruity odor, plasma glucose level, Benedict test, Rothera's test. The acidosis is metabolic acidosis. The blood picture will be in metabolic acidosis. There is decrease in the pH, decrease in the bicarbonate level. Okay. And insulin is given in the treatment with potassium monitoring. So this is all about the discussion of diabetic ketoacidosis. Keep watching. Thank you.